What's up guys, it's Ruby, and today I thought I would bring you a pretty awesome video. So today I thought that I would make a video all about what snow days are like here where I live, because last night we got over 2 feet of snow. They were only calling for 1 foot, but we got 2. So I thought I would just make a cool montage kind of video of our snow day. Hope you like it. Let's get started.
Tearing up across your face, move dust to the light, terrifies your name. It's something faint. This is not a place, not yet awake. I raised the lake.
I'm pretty sure we'll get school off tomorrow, which is going to be awesome. Look at all the snow. It's actually really pretty. It's like just walls of snow and the road in the middle. I can live with this. You can also sit. Oh! Oh, that went in my pants. Whoops. Oh, no, I just messed up our driveway. I think later on I'm going to bring this in like the waterproof case, bring you guys along with me sledding. Also, our door got like messed up with the snow, so our door handle fell off. Just went outside and tried to shovel a track for sledding, and then no, that just did not work, so I think I'm just gonna go sledding, and yeah. Here's our outside view when you look out the door. As you can see, there's a big wall, which I have not yet attempted to climb on top of, but I will later. Here's our missing handle. It is now Monday, and as I expected, we have no school! Okay.
We might not have it tomorrow.
Yeah, we might not have it tomorrow because the roads are pretty bad. We still have like 2 feet of snow outside. And here, you never met Brooke and Alyssa. They already know who you are.
Okay.
Well, there's Jana, and today we're just hanging out and sledding. Okay, yeah, we'll see ya. See ya. Here we have the remains of a like half an hour outside, and we have the outside view. And right now, Mom is making some mac and cheese. Look at those noodles. We're out here sledding. I had to take the lens off because I have a waterproof case, but you okay there?
No.
So I'm gonna attempt to bring you guys. This is either gonna like make or break.
Far forest for the soft, got an open little loft.
Okay, I'm gonna try to jump while holding this. That was so fast! We've tried to do trains multiple times and we cannot figure out a way to get them to work. So we're gonna try.